Alright, so for today's class, we're going to be talking about writing mixed numbers and improper fractions. And we will also be talking about comparing fractions and mixed numbers. So before I teach you how to compare, I'm going to have to teach you how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let's begin. So to write 29 over 5 as a mixed number, we're going to do some division. Super easy, super simple. We're going to do 29 and 5. First, we're going to check how many times does 5 go into 29. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is 5 times. And we can't go 6 times because 6 times is 30. So that's higher than 29. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It goes in to 29 5 times. We know that 5 times 5 is 25. So now we're just going to subtract. 9 minus 5 is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So we know that our answer is, it goes this way like a clock. Remember, it goes like a clock. I'm going to draw that for you later. Just remember, start, and it goes this way as if we were doing a clock, so it goes around. So 5, remember, 5 and 4 fifths. So I'll type that in. 5, 4 fifths. Yay, we got it right. So now that we have converted an improper fraction to a mixed number, we're going to do the same. We're going to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. And to do this, we're going to rewrite this. 7 times 10 is, so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply. As a new fraction, what we're going to do, we're going to write. Sorry, I messed up. So 7 times 10 is 70. So the next step after multiplying these two numbers is we're going to add whatever's on top. 7 times 10 is 70, plus 9 is 79. So now we have one more step, and it's to find the denominator. So I'm going to put a question mark. And to find the denominator, what we're going to do is we're going to keep the bottom number the same. So 79 over 10. Oops, let's write that. 79 over 10 is the correct answer. So what we're going to do here is we're going to erase that and type in 79 over 10. And we got it right. So let's do one more example to make sure that you get it. And then we're going to move on to a practice worksheet. For this one again, 19 divided by 5. Let's do it quicker now. 5 goes into 19, 5, 10, 15, 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 19 minus 15 is 4. So 3 and 4 fifths would be our correct answer. Let's go ahead and type that in. 3 and 4 fifths. Correct. So we are not going to worry about this one. But you do have a worksheet and you have a con. So first we're going to do the con, where I want you to do all 7 questions on your con. And after that we have a worksheet. After the worksheet you have a quick quiz, which is going to be worth a significant amount of your grade. So let's go ahead and get our 92 so you can get a $15. Alright, if you took notes, I'll give you extra credit. If you didn't take notes, it's okay. Well, I hope you understand the topic and get to work. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.